Eremophila glabra, commonly known as the emu bush, is a stunning and resilient native Australian plant that captivates with its vibrant flowers and aromatic foliage. Growing this distinctive plant from seed can be a rewarding experience, allowing you to witness the entire life cycle of this unique species. In this comprehensive guide, we'll take you through the step-by-step process of germinating and cultivating Eremophila glabra from seed, ensuring a successful and fulfilling journey into native plant propagation. Understanding Eremophila glabra. Before embarking on the seed-growing journey, familiarize yourself with Eremophila glabra. This evergreen shrub is known for its needle-like leaves and tubular flowers, which range in color from red and pink to purple. Native to arid regions of Australia, Eremophila glabra is well adapted to dry conditions, making it a resilient and low-maintenance addition to your garden. Collecting or sourcing seeds. Eremophila glabra produces small, woody capsules containing tiny seeds. To grow Eremophila glabra from seed, you can either collect mature capsules from existing plants or source seeds from reputable nurseries or suppliers. Harvest capsules when they have turned brown and are beginning to split open, revealing the seeds inside. Seed preparation. Before sowing, it's beneficial to prepare the seeds for optimal germination. Gently crush the capsules to release the seeds, then separate them from the chaff. Some gardeners also recommend a brief soak in room temperature water to soften the seed coat and enhance germination. This step is particularly useful for seeds that have a hard outer shell. Selecting the right pots and potting mix. Choose large, deep pots to accommodate the long taproot of the Gemea lily. Opt for a well-draining potting mix with a combination of coarse sand, perlite, and quality potting soil. Fill the pots to within a few inches of the rim, leaving enough space for watering and seedling growth. Sowing Gemea lily seeds. Plant the scarified seeds on the surface of the potting mix, pressing them gently into the soil. Avoid burying the seeds too deep, as Gemea lily seeds require light for germination. Space the seeds several inches apart to allow for proper root development. Watering and covering. Water the pots thoroughly after sowing, ensuring the soil is evenly moist. Cover the pots with a clear plastic lid or plastic wrap to create a greenhouse effect. This helps retain moisture and provides a warm environment for germination. Place the pots in a bright, indirect light location. Germination and seedling care. Gemea lily. Seeds typically germinate within a few weeks to a couple of months. Once the seedlings emerge, remove the cover and place the pots in direct sunlight. Keep the soil consistently moist but not waterlogged. As the seedlings develop, thin them out, leaving the strongest and healthiest plants in each pot. Transplanting to larger containers. When the Gemea lily seedlings have grown to a manageable size, transplant them into larger containers filled with the same well-draining potting mix. Handle the seedlings carefully to avoid damaging the roots. Water the transplants thoroughly and place them in a sunny location. Outdoor planting. Gemea. Lily thrives in full sun to partial shade. Choose a well-draining outdoor location if you plan to transplant your Gemea lily from pots to the garden. Gradually acclimate the plants to outdoor conditions before planting them in their final position. Ongoing care and maintenance. Gemea lily is a relatively low-maintenance plant. Keep the soil consistently moist, but avoid waterlogged conditions. Fertilize sparingly, as excessive nutrients can lead to leggy growth. Prune dead or damaged leaves as needed to maintain the plant's aesthetic appeal. Growing Gemea lily from seed in pots is a rewarding venture that allows you to witness the transformation of this iconic Australian native plant from a tiny seed to a majestic and elegant presence. By following these step-by-step guidelines, you can create a thriving container garden adorned with the beauty of Gemea lily, adding a touch of Australian wilderness to your home. embrace the journey, and enjoy the satisfaction of cultivating this remarkable plant from its earliest stages.